In this video, I'll be showing you how to insert PDF in PowerPoint. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, inserting a PDF into PowerPoint presentation allows you to share data sheets, documents, or high-fidelity design layouts directly within your slide deck. And depending on whether you want to present the PDF as a clickable icon, a viewable image, or a fully interactive link, you can complete the integration very easily. So what you want to do is open up your presentation and then navigate to your target slide. Then click on the Insert tab on the top left, and then locate the text settings area, and then click on the object button box icon, which is going to be right here. Now, once you go ahead and click on it, an insert object dialog window frame will overlay your screen canvas, and then click the radio button, and then just press create from file like so. Now click the browse button and navigate to your local storage directory, and then click browse. And then just go ahead and select your PDF file. So I'm just going to go over to my desktop right now and then just find the PDF that I want to go ahead and do this with. So for this example, I'm going to go ahead and choose that one right there. Now, all I got to go ahead and do is check the box display for display as icon. Go ahead and check that. And then all I want to do is go ahead and press OK, like so. And then it's then going to be there. I can now double click this and press open, and it's now going to open up the PDF document. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.